Thank you for calling room service. This is Javelin speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Jazzy and my room number is 205.
Okay, ma'am. May I take your order now?
I would like to order pineapple chicken and a glass of orange juice.
Would you like to try some of our fruit shake, like strawberry shake?
No thanks, that's all.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order, ma'am? One order of pineapple chicken with rice and one orange juice and a bottle of water. Did I get your order right, ma'am? Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am, your bill is 275 pesos for the payment of your bill. Is it cash, credit card, or it's a room charge?
I prefer room charge.
Okay, ma'am, your order will be delivered as soon as possible, maybe in 10 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Miss Jazzy. My name is Kenneth. I will be your room service for today. May I come in? Good day, ma'am. Would you like me to set up your food?
No, just leave it on the table.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like me to open up your window?
No need.
Okay, ma'am. If you need anything else, ma'am, just call our room service. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. I'm Kenneth. I'm here to pick up your sales dishes. May I come in?
Please come in.
Thank you, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, we organize a party tonight at the ground floor. At exactly 10 p.m. Would you like to come in?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for staying in our hotel. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.